Meaning of geomagnetism.
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 Geomagnetism. Geomagnetism refers to the study of the Earth's magnetic field and its interactions with other elements in the planet's environment. The Earth's magnetic field is generated by the motion of molten iron in the outer core, and it plays a crucial role in protecting the planet from harmful space radiation. Geomagnetic surveys are used to map the Earth's magnetic field, which can be used to locate mineral deposits and geological structures. Geomagnetism is also important in navigation and communication systems, as well as studies of the Sun and other planets. In summary, geomagnetism is a field of study that explores the Earth's magnetic properties and their practical applications.